Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to play some math with you today. Hope you're excited, because I am. So if you're not, then you can just borrow some of mine. Okay, so we have a game that we're gonna play that we played before, but this time the card, right, might be like fingers. So this would show two, right? So there'll be two snaps. So one, two snaps. It could look like the dot cards that we've been using, right? So that would also be two. Also, boys and girls, if you don't like if you can't snap or you don't like one of the cards, you can do whatever you want. Just do two of them, right? You could do two jumps, two claps. You could do two winks, like whatever you feel like. Okay, have fun with it. So I'm going to do the snaps, so it would be two snaps, 1, 2. Or it might look like, I found this is really cool, right? This looks like our rekenrek. When you slide the little counters over, right? Let me grab my rekenrek. So it looks like this, right? Where you would slide, oh, I'm in the way. You would slide the counters over, so there's two over, just like in the picture. It doesn't show the whole rekenrek, okay? All right, so here we have two. So again, that would be two snaps, right? 1, 2, or to tug your ear or pat your head or whatever you feel like doing, okay? All right, so I'm gonna take all these cards, all right, and I'm gonna shuffle them up. Shuffle. So it might be a rekenrek, it might be dot card, it might be fingers, and we've also got these cards here. Okay, so I'm gonna flip them over, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here, put these here. Now remember, if you don't like the card here, you can do whatever you feel like. All right, just do it the number of times that the card says. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go a little bit faster today, okay? So we're going to stamp our feet how many times? Looks like 2 times. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, let's do another one. We're going to slap our knees, or whatever you want to do. How many times? Ooh, how many times is that? Can you figure it out real quick? Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, so slap our knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorry, I should do mark, get, set, go, right? Okay, so let's try that again. Mark, get, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. 5. Okay, let's do another one. Ready? If I'm going too fast, remember you can just hit the pause button. I'm trying to get it going a little bit more fast so it's more fun, okay? All right, speed, here we go. Ooh, legs. How many times? Twice. Okay, ready? Mark, get set, go. 1, 2. Excellent. All right, this time we're going to do, oh, I like this one like this, okay? Remember, if you don't like doing this, you can do whatever you feel like. Maybe you want to jump every time, or maybe you want to spin around, right? You could do spins every time. Get some energy out because you're sitting in front of the computer. Who wants that all day? Nobody. Okay, here we go. Ooh, how many is that? How many is that? Let's see, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get 5? Okay, ready? Mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. All right, next one we're gonna do shoulders. Shoulders are so fun. If you don't want to do shoulders, do something on your own. Okay, here we go. All right, we know we can do that one. That's quick. Mark, get set, go. 1. Well, that was easy. Okay, let's do a few more. Ooh, clapping. I like clapping. Ooh, how many is that? Can you tell how many that is? Can you do it real quick? How quick can you tell how many that is? Can you tell that's 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? Mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Or 4. Or 4. Those are all 4. Awesome. Okay. We got 2 more cards. Nose. I think this time I'm gonna pinch my nose instead of just touch it. I want to pinch it. How many times am I going to pinch it? Let's find out. How many times does that say? What does it say? Is that 4 fingers? Yes, it is. On your mark. Get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my nose hurts. I pinched my nose too hard. All right, last one. Ooh, snapping again. Oh, I got the snapping again. All right, this time forget the snapping. Let's do jumping. We're going to jump. No, let's not do 2. Let's do a more exciting one. All right, let's do a dot card. Dot card. Dot card. Give me a dot card. There's a dot card. Okay, we're going to jump how many times? That's right, 4 times. On your mark. Get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, boys and girls, excellent job, excellent job, excellent job. By the way, you can always play this game at home. Just like, oh, you could do like a Simon Says, or just, you know, like play with somebody at your house and be like, can you jump 5 times? Can you touch your nose 3 times? And they can do it to you, right? It's all good. It's all fun. All right, so our number of the day is 4, okay? So I want you to get out your rekenrek. All right, pause the video if you need to. I'm going to swap places with my rekenrek here, okay? So remember that it only counts the ones that, the only ones we count are the ones we slide over like this, right? So how many did I slide over so far? Just 2, right? 1, 2. And how many have I slid over now? Here, I'll cover these up to make it easier. I've slid over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? All right, but today's number is not 3. It is 4. So what I would like you to do is use your rekenrek. Okay, pause the video right now, and use. All right, sorry about that. The computer wasn't working for a second. So take your rekenrek, okay, and how many different ways can you show 4? All right, using your rekenrek. So pause the video if you need to, and spend a few minutes just looking. Just spend like a minute just trying that out. All right, when you finish that, come on back. All right, so welcome back. So here are some ways you might have found. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to cover that up. There's 4 right there. Okay. Did anybody do it this way where you had 1, 2, 3, and then 1 down here? So you had 4 that looked like that. Right. Or how about, did anybody just do, did anybody just do 4 down here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the bottom. Or could you have 3 on the bottom? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it like that. Lots of ways, right? Oh, there's one other way. Did anybody do it this way? Did anybody go 1, 2, sorry. Let me start from the beginning. Anybody go 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that? Yeah, do it that way too. Okay? So there you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so our whole point of this is that there are lots of ways to show the number 4. So take out your, if you need to pause the video to get this out, you want to take out your math packet that says Thursday. Let's move my head out of the way. Say, Mr. McAndrew, move your face out of the way, please. Okay, so we've got the number 4, so we need 4 cubes. Or we call these connecting cubes. They can be all the same color or different colors. Doesn't really matter, right? Grab a marker over here. Okay, so we are gonna, oh, you hear that sound? That's awful. Okay. So they're doing construction up here, but just ignore that. So we're gonna do, remember, different ways of showing the number 4, okay? So here's one way we could do it, right? We could do it like that. We could do it like stairs, going like this. Okay, remember, you can, once you've done that, you want to draw a square right where you did the cubes. I'm going to draw a square here. Has 4 sides, right, that are all equal, and I shade it in. was a square there, and I had a square here. Okay, so I did that, and I had a square here. Sorry about the sound, boys and girls, it's awful. And then remember, you can always, if you need to, you can just kind of trace it around the outside if you want to do that, right? To get the lines nice and neat, but I don't need to do that. Okay, so that's 4. All right, maybe down in this box, let's find a different way of doing it. Maybe you want to do it like, you could put them like in a square, like this, right? Or you could spread them way out, whoa! Or you could put them all in a line way at the bottom, straight in a line, right? Or you can put them right on top of each other. Like, so find different ways of doing it. So you've got this box, right? And then on the next page, you've got 2 more boxes. So you're gonna show different ways of where your cubes can go, your 4 cubes can go in each box, just like we've been doing all week. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, we're gonna do our fingers next. You can either pause the video, right, and finish this, okay, and then come back, or just watch the rest of the video and then you can go back and you can finish this and the fingers, okay? So the sheet that you want to have is your fingers. It should say, it'll say Thursday on it. Thursday. And we're going to write the number 4. So please write the number 4 on your paper. Now this means that we're going to shade, we're going to color any 4 fingers. Right, so let's see if I'm not very good at this, but I can do these 4. I could do, let's see, I can do 4. I am not good at 4. Let's see, oh, I can do these 4 right here. Okay, maybe you're better at this than I am. I can do these 4 if I put that finger down, right? Different ways to show 4. So, for example, I might shade these 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, without the thumb. So what you want to do is shade 4 different fingers each time. So maybe you do these 2 and these 2, right, or you do these 3 and the thumb. But each finger, each hand should have 4 different fingers shaded in. Okay, boys and girls, so have fun with that. And when you're done with your cubes and your fingers, then you're done with this activity, and I'll see you soon. All right, great job. Bye-bye.